If I could be anybody, maybe I'd understand the things that you do. It's not gonna possible, just in your sense. If I could have anybody, would it be you? And I get this feeling in my chest that you're not here, not outside, and all the memories I can't suppress. Put into my eyes and then, like that night we had in Chicago, but you pulled me out to that road. And you forgot the people were close and that's to my heart. I would be lying if I wasn't faithful. I know I miss you like I miss you every night of my life. I wanna know maybe it's something that we're looking in the midst of that time. I wanna know what you're doing tonight. If I could be anybody, I would be you. Keep my emotions in a box like you do. And do you